code tutorial for NoKHQ. In today's short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate and export docs files, so basically doc files for Microsoft Word with content that can be set dynamically. And we're going to show you how to do that using our plugin, which we have in the Bubble plugin store, and then also show you a small trick that you can apply to generate docs with styling using the rich text editor. So really simple, but let's jump right into it. So I'm here on my blank page right now. So what you will need is our plugin, which is called Generate and Download Doc Files. Okay, really simple, available in the plugin store. Once you install that, you have access to this one action here called Generate Doc File. And the rest is super simple, not much to demonstrate. Let's just have a button here maybe, and this button should say Generate Doc, okay? And let's have a multi-line input above that. And let's say this is the content, okay? All right, and then we're gonna say, okay, when generate doc is pressed, we wanna head over here to plugins. We wanna generate a doc file, okay? And then we have the actual content of the file and the file name. So you can set both of these dynamic. That's the nice thing about that. So you could say current user's data, current user, whatever. Let's just have this here as demo, and the content in this case should be multi-line inputs value, okay? So let's preview that. Again, nothing too complex. And what will happen is in this scenario, the doc will be generated and automatically downloaded to the current browser. Okay, so let's try that. Let's have hello world, or hello, this is a Bubble demo. Okay, let's go ahead and generate the doc. You can see it's automatically downloaded here. It has the file name we defined, demo.doc. And when I open this using Microsoft Word, we have beautifully, hello, this is a Bubble demo in Microsoft Word, which you can instantly work with. So this already works quite nicely. And now let me show you how styling is possible. So let's go ahead and add the rich text input, which I don't have installed. So let's install that via plugins. So rich text, okay. We're going to take the one from Bubble here, the newer one. So rich text editor by Bubble, install that. And we'll also need another helping plugin, otherwise it won't work, which is just search for BB code. We want this nice plugin by Blur Apps, which is BB code to HTML, because at the end of the day, doc files are HTML, so we have to convert the BB code, which is in the rich text editor, to HTML. So let's install that. So now let's set that up. So let's say we have our, let's search for the rich text for the editor now. Rich text input, all right. Let's delete this here. Let's just drag that like this, all right. Perfect. So this is our editor now where we can apply all the styling. And then we're gonna say, all right, or actually we will need our plugin, which is the BB code plugin. Okay, let's just drag that here. And we're gonna fill in this placeholder here, BB code, with rich text inputs A's value. Okay, and then let me just give that some more space here. And then we're gonna say, okay, so generate doc. We don't wanna generate the value of the rich text input, but actually want to generate the value of BB code to HTML's HTML. And that's basically it. So now what will happen is this rich text input will allow the user to add formatting, which will be converted to HTML using this plugin, which will then be used to generate a doc file. So let's take a look at that. Great, so let's start styling here. So let's say this is a header, and let's do this H1, and beneath this is bold. Let's make that bold here with a link. Let's add a link here maybe. Where is link here? Doesn't matter. Okay. And let's maybe, I don't know, do underlined text and so on and so forth. Obviously you can do more things. Okay. So this is our rich text here now. And let's just go ahead and click on Generate Doc. So you can see, okay, all right, our new demo doc is created, nothing too special. So let's take a look if this worked. And you can see it worked fine. We have our header, we have the bold, we have the link, we have the underlined text. So automatically the layout and the styling is applied, works perfectly fine. And you can generate nice Word documents dynamically from Bubble using the small trick here with formatting. So yeah, that's basically it. might be really helpful for some of you. Also generating invoices and things like that. You can use this plugin. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you guys for the next tutorial of NoCodeHQ. Bye.